In my art class, there is this group of girls that sit diagonally from my friends and I. They always scream, burp and are genuinely disruptive when the teacher is talking or we're working. They yell at each other saying, "Z, what do you mean you're a pedophile?" Or "Z just told me she's a zoophile." It's genuinely disgusting how they would joke and call each other that. Anytime our teacher tells them to quiet down or to stop talking, one of them goes, "But Ms. H," in this like almost pouty voice, not entirely though. They also love to mimic someone if there is a person humming while listening to music or singing along to the music the teacher is playing. One time during Christmas our teacher was playing music and one of my friends was singing along. Technically lots of us were, but we were much quieter. One of them said,
"Leave it to the professionals."
Our teacher was playing fucking Mariah Carey.
Of course we are going to sing.
And they call me and my friends weird and enemy territory. Anyways, bye my children.